I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Windows build you run. This changes the steps slightly. Once you know it is Windows 10 or 11, unlock the taskbar so you can move it. Right-click an empty taskbar area to open taskbar settings, or go via Settings right arrow Personalization. Make sure to have admin rights if prompted. They are rarely necessary but helpful. From here, you will either drag the bar or change alignment options, so keep the settings window open and visible. Now you perform the repositioning. On Windows 10, you can click a blank area, hold and drag the bar to the bottom edge until it snaps, release to lock in place. On Windows 11, open taskbar settings, expand taskbar behaviors, and choose the alignment you want. Windows 11 removes free dragging so the setting handles it. If dragging fails or the option is missing, you will use a registry tweak or a small utility. Proceed carefully and back up the registry first. Finish by locking the taskbar so it stays put. Right-click and enable Lock the taskbar. Once done, check icon alignment and app behavior. Make sure to restart Explorer from Task Manager if items look wrong. If the position does not persist after reboot, reset the taskbar cache or restore the modified registry keys from your backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, restart Windows Explorer first. This often resolves display glitches without deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.